Hello, good morning, everybody, Indian people. You will have remember very famous murder case in Kerala. That is Sister Afia case, 1922, March 28. Sister Afia's body lying float in well. Another Kottayam 10th Pious Convent. As a result of that police investigation, after 1 year, police submit the report, especially crime branch report, submit to the court. That report said Apaya was nervous mentally, so Apaya suicide. Against altruistic and honestly man, member of Action Council John Mombuthan Burakil approached the court. He demands CBI inquiry. That John Mombuthan Burakil demand accepted the court issued order CBI court. After that, CBI started the investigation. Consequently, first investigation officer V.V. Augustine ASI committed the suicide. Consequently, police department and supplementary government department not to cooperate with CBI. Not only that, CBI DYSP P. Thomas Varghese resigned from the CBI. Consequently, go ahead CBI final CBI special court find out the culprit. Life imprisonment judgment come out. Thomas Koturan and Sister Steffi life imprisonment submit jail. After couple of months, Koturan and Sister Steffi achieved the bail, released the center jail, from the center jail, escaped. After that, Jomo Buttanpurekil